Hey there. Thanks for watching my ShopZBuilder review by Mosh Bari, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This ShopZBuilder review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now let's see what ShopZBuilder promises us. I actually found two different sales pages for this product. The first one is their front end sales page. It says the online retail industry has seen a massive 146% growth due to the pandemic. Get ready to cash in. Push one button to launch your own online multi-vendor store that sells physical and digital products in less than 30 seconds. On the right, they tell you can sell physical, digital products and software. You can earn from home. This is for newbies with no tech skills and absolute beginners. You can set up accounts for vendors and charge a sign-up fee or commission for every sale. But if we look at the other sales page, this particular sales page is actually called the MMO version, or the Make Money Online version, and it is quite a bit different. So this one says tap into the new multi-billion-dollar online craze. One-click software builds you an automated store and drives free buyer traffic to hit in 30 seconds. Newbies are already getting results, and now it's your turn. On the right, these bullet points are a lot more vague. They don't quite tell you as much about the product. It says 100% automated store, fuel it with traffic from 99 sources, no hosting and no domains, no tech skills, so it's going to be beginner friendly again, and a free autoresponder included. Now, if we take a look at the newbies that are already getting results, we finally found them a little more than halfway down the page. Henry Brown talks about an automated store, but if we look at David Francis, this guy is actually from a meme. So this is not a real person or a real user that has used this product. So I don't believe that any newbies have been using this already. Now, because I come from Make Money Online, I'm going to be basing this review off of this sales page and not the original front end sales page. This review is geared directly towards newbie affiliate marketers to see if ShopZBuilder is going to work for you. Once we purchased this product, we were sent a thank you page. You click here to sign up and you enter all of your information in here to register. Once that happened, it took me straight back to this page. So I went ahead and looked at all of the training. In here, you have about 15 minutes of training. The longest video is actually a sales page for a different product of his that you won't need for ShopZBuilder. And the training does go by button through each of the different platforms. And at this point, after registering, I did have a URL. Notice with this URL that you are actually a subdomain, so you do not own this. If for some reason this goes down, which it did go down for about 20 minutes earlier today, you cannot troubleshoot it and get it back up. You don't own it. You are at the mercy of Mosh Bari and when he decides to get it fixed for you. Since I have my URL, I did go ahead and take a look at the website it had made for me. As I scroll down, you can see that there is nothing included in it. You are going to have to come in here and put your own information in. It did have a few products in there and some pictures already put in, but you will need to come with your own products and all of your own information before you get started. At this point, I still did not have any information on how to get into the actual admin section of this product. I took my URL and added admin to the back of it because of something I saw in one of the training videos. Once I did that, I was actually able to get into this dashboard, but they never told me that. So if you're having problems getting in, just add /admin after your registration and you should be okay. I have only put one product in. So when I came in here, there were already 2 products and 1 post in here. If we take a look at my website, there's nothing in the flower and gifts. Here's the one digital product that they added for me in electronic. Sport and Outdoor has an out of stock t-shirt already in there. I was able to add this and we'll get to that in just a minute. And let's go ahead and get into the dashboard. There is no additional training in here. So when you come in, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and set up your autoresponder. They do give you these 4 options. If you don't have them, you can come into the email settings and set up your own configuration. I have yet to find my free autoresponder that I was promised here on the sales page. And if we look at email templates, you have no option to add a new one. The only thing you would be able to do is come in here and edit an existing. They do have your codes at the top for you, and you can see it is just as simple. What you see is what you get, and you would just need to customize this for your needs. And the next thing you'll want to do is go into your general settings. Now, according to the training over here on the left, we should be able to access our logos and our favicons so that we can replace them here on the dashboard and down on the footer as well. But there is nowhere to adjust this in here. So if you send this URL out, your website will be branded for ShopZBuilder. You will not be able to change that, and you will not be able to add your own logo in these two places. Next, you would want to change a theme. You can see they only have 3 templates here, and I've just left mine at default. If you were using this for physical products, they do have options for you to add in shipping methods. All of these are going to be the same. You can add new, and you would just enter the information it's asking for. You would need to make sure you have all of this information before you get started. You can adjust packagings, pickup locations. You have website content controls. If we look at the footer, there is no way to adjust the logo in the footer. You can have affiliate information if you wanted to set up your own affiliate program. There's also home page settings. These would be all of your sliders, your banners. You do have a customization option, and you can toggle these on and off as well. You also have a menu page setting. I was able to add some other pages, such as an affiliate disclaimer, which is very important to have on a website like this. If you'll notice, there is a track order button here, but you can't see it because the picture's red, and I cannot change this color. So you would want to go back and change that red picture to something else so you could actually see this button. You notice I have made changes, and they do take. And the last section you can adjust would be your manage categories, where you can set up main, sub, and child. And you can see I've added affiliate marketing here as well. As far as adding products, you would need to add products to your dashboard. I was able to add this one. You will need images and any descriptive information that you want to put in here to try and entice someone to click your buy now button. This is the only way you're going to make commissions, is if somebody buys a product from you off of this website. You're also given the opportunity to blog on your site. You can choose categories and posts. Your messages are your tickets and your disputes. You can also set coupons, bulk product uploads. That's going to be for physical products, and any product discussion or reviews that somebody may enter into your website. If you were to make a sale, your orders would be here. The affiliate product section, if we take a look at it, this is the product that I entered personally. So there are no affiliate products in here or ways to search for affiliate products in the ShopZBuilder platform. You can add a new product, and you would just enter all of the information that they're asking for, as well as the image. You need a product description. You could use a YouTube URL if you wanted to, and you would create your product. They have a customer section for your customers list and a vendors section for your vendors list. So if you are selling products and vendors want to sell your products, this is where you would be able to verify them, set up their subscription plans. But I'll tell you, Kim and I got into affiliate marketing specifically because we did not want to deal with physical products, packaging, shipping, customer service or support along those lines. And if that's why you got into affiliate marketing, this dashboard is just a whole lot for you to have a place just to sell your affiliate products. You could definitely set something like this up with a simple page builder, as opposed to having all of these functions that you're not going to need or do anything with. They also have a payment section, so you can set up any of your gateways. This is the list of 9 they give you, and you can add a new option if it's not shown here. The last section we're going to talk about is traffic with ShopZBuilder. If we look at the social setting, you can see immediately they give you Google and Facebook, but if we look at the social links, these are the 5 social media settings that he is allowing you to connect your current existing account with. That will come with your current existing lists, and that is who you will be able to send this out to. My question is, who is on your current Facebook list? Is it friends and family, or is it people that want to buy affiliate products from you? and want help from you through their affiliate marketing journey. Because if it is friends and family, you will make no additional sales or get any additional traffic, let alone from 99 sources with ShopBuilder. The only other traffic option you're going to see is SEO tools. What this would do is cause your page to rank #1 in Google if somebody searched for your product name. What this gives you the option to do is stack it full of these meta keywords to do with your product and hope that it ranks #1 in a search result on Google. Unfortunately, subdomains like these are very rarely going to rank on Google no matter how many keywords you stuff in here. This product is already sold over 100 copies, which means there are 100 different domains for Google to go through to try and rank this. And it is not going to work with a site like this. Also, this site did go down for me earlier. I was not able to access it. And when that happens, you have to wait for the vendor to fix the problem for it to come back up. Now, he fixed this today because it's launch day. But if we take a look at Mosh Bari's calendar for the upcoming year, he just released ShopZBuilder today. That's his second product this month alone. And he is very busy for the next year and a half actually, launching product after product, selling them to you and me. And that is how he makes his money. He is not going to make his money using ShopZBuilder. Otherwise, we would have a Mosh Bari ShopZBuilder page in the demo for us to take a look at. With all of these products, he could definitely make a page to show us how that would work for us. But he is not using that product. He's selling it to you and me, and that is how he is making his money. So what's the strategy with ShopZBuilder? Well, the first sales page that was not geared towards make money online was the most truthful. It is an online multi-vendor store that it builds for you as a subdomain. You can sell physical and digital products or software, but I have some serious problems with this platform. First of all, this sales page sold it to make money online and made it sound like a completely different product. Initially, I was never given the admin access link to get in here. I had to figure that out myself. And this is not going to be for beginner affiliate marketers with all of these functions that you won't need just to have a web page with your affiliate products on it. You can't personalize this website. You will have the ShopZBuilder logo all over it in addition to the name of your URL. And you're going to need to come in here with images and written copy and information ready to copy and paste and go. If you have any questions inside the platform, you will not get any additional answers than these 1 to 2 minute videos from the training. On the front end, ShopZBuilder is $17. Upsell number 1 is the plus upsell for $37. Upsell number 2 is the instant push alerts for $47. Upsell number 3, there is a pricing discrepancy. I have found this for $97 somewhere else. And this one is going to be your daily roundup. Upsell number 4 is $97. That's your 10 times content pack. And upsell number 5 is your reseller. I have found this somewhere else for $197. But it's listed as $97 here. I'm not sure which pricing funnel is going to be right, but ShopZBuilder is going to run you anywhere from $362 to $492. Guys, ShopZBuilder is not going to get you any free buyer traffic. There's nothing new about having an online store. There were not 99 sources of free traffic, even if they were saying that their social media links were their traffic. There's no hosting and domain because you're using theirs, and when it goes down, you are at their mercy. I'm going to leave it up to you whether you want to waste your time, energy, and money on ShopZBuilder. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this ShopZBuilder review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.